Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create the effect of a pop-up page. Pop-ups are a great tool to attract your visitors' attention or to get them to do something specific. You can use a pop-up to put a spotlight on a specific piece of information or to highlight a call to action. A few examples are to get users to sign up for your newsletter, watch a promo video, or find out about a 75% off sale in your online store. Here's an example. On this pop-up page, a new visitor coming to my site immediately learns about the sale in my online store. If I am able to spike their interest, they will follow the link and start shopping. If they're not interested, they will probably just click the X button to close the pop-up. It's actually really simple to create this effect. Let me teach you how. The pop-up page is just a duplicate of the page it's popping up from, covered with a nearly transparent layer. Then, the actual pop-up design is layered on top of that. I added an X button so visitors can easily close the pop-up and be taken back to the main website. You should only create a pop-up page once the rest of the website's design is complete. How do I create the page you see here? First, I duplicated my home page. Then I stretched the strip to cover my entire page and reduced its opacity to 75%. This makes the page look like a faded background. Next, I created the pop-up and added a button linking to my shop page. Then I put in the X with a link back to the website's original homepage. Finally, I changed the page transition to none. This way, the transition from the pop-up page to the original one looks more natural. Happy popping!